Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Technical Nick. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can do a C++ course for free online. So let's get started. So first you need to go to a Google and just type and in search you will see two links. Both are same. You can click on any one of that. So if I open this link, it will show me a filter. In that filter, you need to add a topic as a C++. Once you add the topic, you need to just clear the other filters, and we can add a filter of free. If you can see, there is one program populating, that is C++ for the programmer. This course teaches the C++ to students already familiar with the programming language, and students learn how to use header files, control flow, function, classes. This course is for the intermediate level, and the course will be completed within the 3 weeks. The skills covered in the course are pointers and arrays, control flow, object-oriented programming, C++ template, and C++ standard template library. If I click on the program details, we can see this course is for free and we can learn the feature and construct for the C++. Course cost is free and timeline is around 3 weeks. This is a self-paced learning, so you can just complete this course within 1 week also. The skill which are required for the course is intermediate level. That is, you need some basic knowledge of the C++ to understand the concepts of this. This section is about this course. You can just read the section. It will show. It will give you the basic of C++, what the course is going to cover. If I go down, you can see she is the instructor. And if I go down, you can see these are the lessons which will be available with the course. So the basic arithmetic operation, control flow, pointers, arrays function, classes, overloading, templates. These are the lessons which will be covered in the course. If I start the course, I have already logged in into the website. You will see I was doing the course. So if I go to my programs, I can see the course for the C++. So if I go to overview, I can just check what are the course contents or the lessons which are available with the course. Basics, compilation and execution, arithmetic operations, control flow, pointers, arrays, function, classes, overloading, template, classes and inheritance, polymorphism, vectors, iterators, some of the interview questions and the C++ checkpoints. If I open any of the course or the lesson, you will see there are multiple topics which are covered in each lesson. So for first lesson, there are around 45 topics. If I go to the any topic, you will see the video is populating and the information also available with the different topics. The course introduction is there and you can see the transcript is here, like the what are the C++ topics or the quizzes which are covered in this course are written here. And you have the option, if you go to the next, you will see it is populating the next video. When you complete the course or the lesson, you will have a green tick mark in front of that particular topic. If you download the videos as a zip file, you can just download the zip file, and if you want to download the transcripts also, you can download that. If I go to the lessons, I can see I have covered around 50% of lessons, and it will also show you how much time you will require to complete the lesson. You can see 18 minutes remaining, 20 minutes remaining for each lesson. So you can just go to the website and you can do your course for free. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you.